Well, my name is Amy Zook. I am the Program Information Director here at COC. I have been here for 5 years. COC opened its doors in 1969. So we had about 5 families here in Pella that had one common thing together. They had children with disabilities. And fast forward 53 years later, we are not only in Pella, we're in Knoxville, we're in Indianola, Oskaloosa, and Des Moines. And we serve about 220 individuals with disabilities.
The vocational program entitles 2 different programs, one being the life skills program, the other being the community-based employment. Life skills is building the community relationships. These individuals go out in the community to various locations like Smoky Row. Our purpose is to build that community and integration with different businesses. The CBE portion is building jobs in the community with our individuals. It's all about making them productive members of society. At my staff meetings, we always start off with fellowship time, just talking about our day, our weekend, how things are going, and then we dive into the programming details, but just making sure we allow time for that fellowship to build relationships.
I would say the similarities between COC and Marion County Bank is community. We are very strong components of making sure our community is thriving, and I feel like Marion County Bank does the same thing. They are very active in the community, and I think that's one thing that kind of binds us together.